Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and Living Lux in Houston. And hey, we're inside the 2-bedroom at the Bowen. It's really, really pretty. We're gonna do part 2, and that means we're gonna go check out the bedroom and the bathroom. So there's actually 2 in this case. So we're gonna go look at those right now. There's one over here and there's one over here. So we're gonna check out this one because this is more the master. So the master is here. You can see this is really tall in here. It's maybe about 11 feet or so. Huge amount of space. That's absolutely a king bed, and you can see there's still space left over. So you've got a lot of space over there. That's very, very nice. And then, hey, this is really pretty too. You've got a super nice area for your dresser and things like that, and really tall walls. So you can fit quite a bit in here and still not feel crowded. When we walk into the bathroom is dual sink. It's very, very nice. You can see it's got that really sophisticated lighting, the new modern lighting. I love that lighting, by the way. It's so pretty, and the white cabinets are beautiful. It's got a really nice tile here too. I like the quality of the tile. And then it's got a walk-in shower, so the shower's here. That's really, really nice. I walk into the closet. Okay, this is a pretty nice size closet. It's a very nice size. It's beautiful. Wow, it's big. So you're not gonna have any problem with storage in here. This is more than enough. We're gonna walk back out and chat in just 5 seconds because we're gonna reach the living room area, and I just want you to get one final look of this beautiful light and floor-to-ceiling windows. Isn't this just amazing? This could be your perfect place. Hey, send me a text. My number is below. That's my personal cell phone number. Send me a text and let me know your thoughts on this place. Just introduce yourself. Say, hi, my name is, your name, and then just say, hey, I'd like to get your help finding a beautiful place in Houston. I really like this video. Tell me about it. And we'll start a conversation. It'll be great. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you part of our Living Lux in Houston community, and can't wait to just to send you more and more beautiful content that's the best in Houston like this. Okay, we're about to go now and look at another floor plan. This is going to be not a furniture floor plan, but it's going to be an open floor plan, and we'll go take a look at that right now.